Alright students, so now we are going to revisit the topic leaf and its parts. So I have got query from few of the students about this topic, especially this topic, the parts of the leaf. There is some sort of confusion. So let us clarify it now. Alright, so if this is a plant, okay, please pardon my drawing. It may not be as good as yours, but I have just tried to, show you the different parts as clearly as possible. Okay, so let's see now. This is, let's just take a blue marker. Yeah, so you see this is the stem of the plant, and here is where I'm connecting the leaf is connected, right? So from here, from this point, I can break the leaf. If I pluck it, it will obviously I can have the leaf in my hand. So this portion here, this portion is called as petiole. Okay, what is it called? It is called as petiole. Petiole. Okay, focus on the pronunciation. Try to remember the spelling. Petiole. Okay, petiole. So this portion is the petiole. So what is petiole? Petiole is the portion of the leaf that connects it with the stem. What is petiole? Petiole is the portion of the leaf that connects it with the stem. Right? It is the portion of the leaf that connects it with the stem. Okay? So this portion is petiole. Petiole is also called as leaf stalk. Okay, so this portion is petiole. Then you can see this line going from here inside, this main line, thick line in the leaf. This line that goes from the center is called as main vein. Okay, so line going through center. Okay, and what is petiole? Leaf portion, part of the leaf that connects to the stem. Part of leaf that connects to stem. Is it clear? Okay, so what is petiole? Petiole is part of the leaf that connects to the stem. So this portion is connected to the stem. What is the main vein? The main vein is the line going through the center. Clear? Then you have the side veins. The side veins are the lines that are coming across the sides. Okay, main vein is the line going through the center, and side veins are the lines which go towards both the sides from the main vein. Line going to both sides through main vein. Isn't it? See, you can see here that the side veins are going from both the sides. Okay, side veins are going from both the sides, isn't it? And from both the sides from the center. So if this is your center of the leaf, just see here, if this is the main vein, this is the main vein, okay, and the side vein is coming out from the main vein on both the sides. Okay, so the lines going to both the sides from the main vein. Okay, line going from both the sides from the main vein is called as leaf side vein. Okay, what is lamina? Lamina is nothing but the portion, this plain portion, that's all. Lamina is nothing but the plain portion. Okay, what is lamina? Lamina is nothing but the plain portion. So what are the four parts now? Let's look at it. Petiole, main vein, side vein, and lamina, the plain portion. Let me write. Okay, So what is petiole? Petiole is part of the leaf that connects to the stem. This is petiole, part of the leaf that is connecting to the stem. Main vein is the line going through the center, okay, and side veins are the lines that are coming on both the sides, that are coming from the center, and lamina is this blank portion. Okay, what is lamina? Lamina is the blank or the plain portion of the leaf. Okay, petiole is also called as the leaf stalk, and lamina is also called as the leaf blade. Is it clear? 4 parts: petiole, main vein, side vein, lamina. Petiole is where we are connecting where the leaf is connecting to the stem. Main vein is the line going through the center. Side veins are the lines coming from the center to both the sides, and lamina is the plain portion in the leaf. This is the plain portion in the leaf. Okay. Now, before I start the next topic, that is functions of the leaf, I would like to ask you one thing, that where does your mother prepare the food? Does she make it in the hall, or does she make it in the balcony, or does she cook food in the kitchen? She cooks food in the kitchen. So wherever you make food, why we call that place as the kitchen, right? So you all know that plants are able to make their own food, isn't it? Plants make their own food. And where are they making? Do they have a kitchen? Do they have a kitchen? Yes, they have a kitchen. And where is the kitchen? This green leaf. These green leaves are the kitchen of our plant. It is in the green leaf where the food is being prepared. Okay, so when your mama makes food, okay, let's say she wants to make rice, okay, so she needs rice, she needs plain rice, and then she needs a gas also to heat it, right? Similarly, when plants make the food, okay, they need heat, because even mama needs heat, right? If mama needs to make pizza, mama needs to make say chapati or curry, whatever, so she definitely needs rice, she definitely needs fire, heat, gas, stove. Similarly, when the plants are making the food in the leaf, or when the green leaves are making the food, okay, for the plant, okay, so obviously they need sunlight, because heat is required. Okay, similarly, I have written here that in order to make the food for plants, we require these 4 things. Okay, first is sunlight. Then I have written here green leaves. What do I mean by this? Is there leaf of any other color? Yes, there are dry leaves which are brown in color, but they are actually dead leaf. Can a dead leaf make food? No, dead leaf cannot make food. Okay, if the food is similarly, even at home, if the rice is not good and is very old and now it's spoiled, so what will we do? Can mummy make food from the spoiled rice? No. Similarly, leaves also have to be green in color to make food. Okay, brown leaves cannot prepare food. Then we need carbon dioxide from the air as well. Okay, plants, they need carbon dioxide from the air. And finally, I have always told you, water and mineral from the soil is also equally important. Okay, why am I teaching you all these things? I'm teaching you all these things because now we are looking into the functions of food and the functions of leaf. And the first function of the leaf is that leaf is the kitchen of the plant. Leaf prepares the food for the plant. Leaf is very important, and if leaf is not there, then food cannot be made. Okay, so you need to understand these things, that it is in the leaves, in the green leaves, they prepare the food. Okay, green leaves prepare the food for the plant. So what are the things that are required? Obviously, when I keep saying green leaves, green leaves, green leaves, the first thing I can say is that green leaves is required to make food. Then we require sunlight, isn't it? Then we require carbon dioxide from air, and finally we require water and mineral from the soil. Okay, so when I get these 4 things, I am able to make food. And this process, okay, by which the plants are preparing their food is called as photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photo? Photo means light, synthesis means making. Okay, photo means light and synthesis means making, खाने बनाने की प्रक्रिया. Okay, now again I want to take you through this. There are a lot of functions of the leaves. We will be looking it in the next class. In this class, I am only going to teach you the first and the main function. Leaf is used in making food for the plant. And that is why green leaves are called kitchen of the plant. Understand? What are the 4 things that you are required to make the food? Obviously, you require green leaf. Then you require sunlight. You require carbon dioxide from the air, and finally you require water and mineral from the soil. This process of making the food is called as photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means making. Once the food is prepared, it is used by the plants, and some of it is also stored. Okay, remember I taught you before in the old video that plants are storing the food, isn't it? You saw na how the plants are storing the food. So where is that food? How is that food made? This is how the food is made, through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay. Now, just the last point here that I want to explain is green leaves are green in color because of the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. Let's look at the spelling and the pronunciation. Here H is silent, okay? Chlorophyll. And here this PHY is sounding like F, okay? This is the pronunciation, chlorophyll, okay? Chlorophyll. So what is this chlorophyll? Chlorophyll makes the leaves green in color. Alright students, so we have had a good discussion on the leaf, its parts. Which are the 4 parts? Petiole, main vein, side vein and lamina. Alright, and we have also discussed the first and the main function of the leaf, which is to make food. This process is called as photosynthesis. In the next video, I am going to take you through the other functions of the leaves. Okay, thank you students.